Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag YugabyteDB tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to configure the master-to-master setup on YugabyteDB. So we'll go through the step-by-step process. So below is the DBA-friendly 100% CLI and step-by-step guide to the configure Yugabyte master-to-master multi-master cluster. So we are not using the Docker, production style and YSQL enabled. So Jugabyte is the master to master by design. So once multiple masters are configured, all nodes are active and writable. So this is the benefit of the master to master design. This is the multi-master. So Jugabyte master to master multi-master setup. So step by step full process will use the YSQL enable. So work with the Jugabyte uh, 2025.1.2.1 and true master to master active and YSQL Postgres compatible and no Docker CLI only and password I am using the admin at the rate 123. So architecture will be there is a three servers, all are leaders and flowers and auto election. Send T servers 3 read write on the all nodes and replication wrapped will use so that will auto sync and fault tolerance will use. Writes uh, can go with any nodes. Okay, so this is the not a traditional primary replica. All nodes except the write multiple master to master. So we'll use the three servers are there. So server 1 and all the servers are running in my VMware workstation. You can able to see server 1, server 2, server 3. So while installing, I have given the username and password for them. So I'm going to access all the servers first. So this is my server 1. Similarly, I will access the server 2 and server 3. Let me copy the URL name SSH configuration sudo su. So now I'm going to access the server 3. This IP is 130. Okay, so we have done. So let me give the name server 128, server 129, server 130. So all the three servers are given there. Let me change the tab color. Let me go with the same size. Yeah, okay. So now move to the next. So all server role with the master and T server. So OS preparation run on the all the servers. So update, then install the curl and Python and CS certificate. So this is the command run all the servers. So whenever you are starting working with the Ubuntu or any Linux server, first update and upgrade your system packages. So done. Now next we'll create the gigabyte directory all the nodes and we'll provide the ownership on that. So run the same command all the nodes. Now next download the gigabyte all nodes. So let me download this. So download is started. It will take few minutes. Meanwhile, we'll go through the documentation. Then we'll extract the downloaded file and we'll go inside and we'll check post installation. We'll check it. So it will allow you to pass the configuration or not. It will show you. Then we'll start the multi-master cluster. So let it complete. So after that, we'll run the on node 1 we'll start, then node 2, then node 3. All the nodes will start, then we'll access through the master UI. So master is 128 now. So there you'll see three master are there, one leader and two will be the follower. So let it complete. So we are downloading the Yugabyte 2025 1.2.1. So 89% approx completed. So all the three servers, we are just downloading the Yugabyte DB. Okay, done. I'm going to extract this one on 130 is completed. This one also completed. Extract this. So all the three nodes are completed. Okay. So we have extract. Now I am going to inside the this folder. Now run the post install. So install pass, you'll get same. So all the things should be passed. Done. Now where are you starting the multi-master cluster on the node 1? So I'm running in the node 1. Node 1 is the 128. Now move to the node 2 and finally node 3. So here you can see the strategy running, YSQL is ready, replication factor 1 and other details will be there. Now I will access through the master UI. So here you can see there is a replication factor is 3, nodes are 3 and tables we not created till now and the version of that. And all the masters you can see there is a leader. Okay. So this is the leader and other two will be the follower. Okay. When anyone will go down, automatically leader will change. I'll show you. So this is done. Now set with the YSQL password. So go to the node 1, run this. So I'm going to enter the password. Done. Q. So test master to master writes. So just connect with the node 1. So admin @123 is the password and create a database. Run all the commands. Select with the data. So we have a one data that is the ID is 1 and node 1. We have written for the node 1. Similarly, we'll connect with the node 2. Admin @123 and /c test and just I will connect with I will I'll insert one more data and just check. So check, there is a two data. One node 1 is selected from here and node 2 we inserted from the 129. So here if you select then you will get a node 2 also. We inserted from the 129 and we are getting the same data into node 1 also. So this is the read write for the node 1 and node 2. Now move to the node 3. So here we will connect the same way. Okay, I will connect this. Okay. So we have inserted one more data from the node 3. So we are getting the data. Now check same data from the all the nodes. You will get same data. Okay. So there is a three rows we are getting. We inserted from the node 1, node 2 and node 3. So this is done. All write a success from the all nodes. This confirms the true master to master cluster. Now test failover live. So I'm going to stop on node 1 leader. So kill the services. So for from 1 control Q and I'm killing the services. Done. Now you refresh this. Leader wise this one. So leader is changed to there. So now leader is connected with the 130. We have a one table and all the details are there. You can access the table, see the table and click here. You will get all the details. So you can go through this. So now our new leader is auto elected, no data loss and write continues. So how Gigabyte achieve master to master cluster? Conscious, wrapped, wrapped and write path will be the any T-server, conflict handling, strong consistency, failover, automatic and split brain impossible. So production ports are there. YSQL using the 5433, Master UI 7000, T-SQL UI 9000, Master RPC 7100 and T-SQL 9100. So final test will be there. So true master to master database write, all nodes active, read and write, automatic failover, strong consistency, PostgreSQL compatible. That is the YSQL. So in this video we have learned how to configure the master to master setup on YugabyteDB. So we have done this one. So disclaimer is there, all trademarks, logo names belong to their respective owners. This video made only for the education information purpose under the fair use section 107 copyrighted 1976. You can follow me on YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel is there. Follow the process exactly shown in the video. Share this YouTube video with your friends and colleagues. Drop your question on the YouTube comment box and subscribe for the free tutorial. Don't forget to follow, like, share, comment and subscribe to Chirag tutorial. Thank you.